Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you the difference between the tubular and the clincher, how you can tell which one is which, what you need to know. Let's get into this video right now. So the first thing that you want to know is that when you're looking for the bike, you want to know, you came down, you see it, and you want to see if the bike has a tubular or if it has a clincher. So the first thing that I do here, I deflated the tire. So the first thing, I deflate both tires, and then it's much easier to tell if you have a tubular or if you have a clincher tire. So if you look over here, this is what I do. You see here? Now, if it comes off like this, it's a clincher. So you see, this tire will clinch onto this rim here. And in order to have a clincher tire, you can only use it with the clincher rim. So the clincher rim is not gonna work on the tubular tire. Keep that in mind. And this is the one how they look like. If you see over here, if you can stick a finger in there, it's a clincher. Now let's take you to the tubular. Again, you wanna deflate the tire. And if you look, this is the best way how I tell if it's a tubular tire. You see here, as I push with my thumb, it's glued here. And the tire doesn't wanna come off from the rim. Now another thing, when I press my finger like this, there's no gap inside like here. You see, I can stick a finger in here. Now here, I cannot stick a finger in there because it's flat, and the tubular tire will get glued onto that rim. It's kind of like this. It's a flat, but it's a flat on this side as well because it's meant to be for a tubular tire. Now, what I would like to let you know, these are usually, depending on the brand and whatnot, these gonna cost you a lot more. So get to know what kind of tires you have, because you're gonna pay a lot more to get these rather than the clinchers. These are usually cheaper, but at the same time, you're also gonna need these. So the clincher tires are gonna also need the tubes to go inside because they go with the tubes. Okay, and then here, these don't have the tubes, but at the same time, they're gonna cost more. Now, another thing that you should know is that when these go flats, you can patch pretty easy the tube. Now, with this one over here, you will need that foam, or you're gonna have to buy a new tubular tire, which will cost a little more money, you know. So that's pretty much that. Keep in mind, like I said earlier, clincher rims will work with the clincher rims. You cannot use them with the tubular, so that's another thing to keep in mind. Hopefully you found this useful, and this is how you tell if you have a clincher or if you have a tubular tire. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.